In this video, we'll talk about Python slicing. Like I explained in my previous video, slicing of a string is breaking a huge string into a smaller pieces in our own terms. Let's see this with an example. When I type print var a, okay, and when I execute this, it prints the entire whole string. When I write any number within the range of this particular string length by passing an integer value, say 5, okay, and save it and I run it, it gives me some character which the pointing, see 5 points to O, so there we get O as an output. So this is pretty good. Now what is stop? Start, stop and step. Okay, stop, start, step, these are all the index items. Okay, so here how I write 5 colon another value and another value after this. Okay, now to simplify, let's take only one colon here. Okay, I'll save it without providing any index value. I'll just run it. Okay, now it will print complete string, which means that towards the left side of this colon we should provide the starting point from where the slicing should begin. So we are not providing any starting point, it considered as 0. Towards its right we need to provide where to stop, so the point where the slicing should stop. So that's the point. You should provide the index value to it. So as we are not providing either of them, so it prints the complete value. Now let's see what happens when I provide a value 3. Save it, run it. Here you can see the difference between the complete string and the current string. It started slicing from the value 3. So which means that 3 points to letter T. So it is considering slice. This part is not displayed. Now this part is sliced and it is displayed in the terminal. So that's the meaning. Okay, now I'll remove this. Okay, I'll put only the stop point. So stop point I'll put as 10. Okay, so now here 10 means it is U. So we can straight away assume that it will print from S to U as we are not providing any start point. Okay, let me clear this and I'll execute this. Now here Santosh underscore K, it prints only up to 9 but not 10. Why? So here is the special case in Python. When you say starting point 0 to the ending point is not included. It is not inclusive, which means it is up to 10 but not the 10th item. So that's the meaning of it. Okay, this is pretty nice. Okay, now I'm not providing any of the left value, any of the right value. Let's see, I will only provide the step value. What is the step? The default value of step is 1. Okay, I'll save this, I'll execute this. Now it prints everything. Now let's increase this value by 1. I'll increase the value 1 plus 1. Okay, I'll execute this. Now here you can see each character is skipped. So yes, it started from S and it skipped A and it prints N, and it skips T and it prints H, and it goes on and on and on. So this is the concept of slicing. Also, I wanted to tell you that Python string supports the negative indexing as well. So like in other programming, we don't have negative indexing. Here, say if I simply type -1, okay, it just reverses the string like a pro. Thanks for watching.